Mayemu acheni emu akwa baby Adom TV Badwam dwumadie no eso yadani ta ekote gwase enkranshan sama nenso ode abreye de edu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ni mampani na na dodan kwa kufuado etwa nhoma mu akrata mamoto we no ye no foforo ye de honsam no ebebro na fe ya bwawura mu kaso landlady ye kire se saadan no odwurugu ye no oninkrata bia eno ne nsem bi na no pay Yede bro, Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel no ye 119 DSTV ye 280 uko YouTube Adom TV 2 midindi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mientie se de nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie Ghana mampani na na dodankwa kufuado de saso abofom se makwan na akratama moto we no won mo enhyase na sa dwumadie won ene eye public private partnership won aban ni ankrankre ene eka won ho abom adi sa adwuma no munchiremu Adom TV kase ediba
Ghana mampani na nado danko akufuado wedi aso apem from na wapene so se akrata mamotowe no won hyase nyeso adwuma na sa adwuma die wo kyerede a aban no na ankrankre nwumakuo bi na aka won ho abom a wode ba behyehyɛ so ya we ni de dikan kra bibi sei asi wo man Ghana emo na akrata mamotowe no kwantempon a Ghana mampani na wodi kan wo Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye wo man yemu afia pema hanko na duosia enum na emo na se Ghana mampani kyerede a ɛho hia pa se sa kwantempon ye obetumi asanso so yeso NCC wo kyeremu no sei no kai
The Accra Tema Motorway, commissioned in 1965 by our first president, Kwame Nkrumah, has served as a vital artery for our country's development for nearly 6 decades. Designed with a 50-year lifespan, this iconic road has withstood the test of time, carrying an average of 45,000 vehicles per day, an extraordinary proof of its importance. However, the time has come for us to renew this legacy and ensure that it continues to serve the people of Ghana for generations to come.
Awutu Senya East Municipal Assembly no engineer ye Isaac Ofori na wose abansoro a na yesi adwiri ya isuso se nipa ba miensa de won kona nanom wonse do wakaso asempa down no saa ona no nyame anim ni no ni nkrata bi e ma no ho kwan se onsisa dan no
Samanfo beka ya na wotwe awieye na Adom kase bo amane se edan bi adwiri agu ewo kaso amenam so manipa nan a carpenter ni bi ka ho ahwere wonom nkwa na ne Ibrahim Aniboni ene ewutu Senya Eastman ni engineer Isaac-Ofowi ekotwetwe nkomo no ene wadi tudwa se edan ye adwiri gu ye efie wura ya onukro ya na Rich Merrick Vocational School eye ne dia no assembly na to nsa afre ma mi empem bebre se itumi krata wowo ya wodi asisi sa dan won fa mekere wonom ne so anya de se ma mi aba honom
akoye assessment assembly na mane ha after no be duty no paye akoye assessment assembly no maduka kan say foundation otukura na papa iron rods or issue papa after so issue right workers for the job design kwa no boy so we designs na what so dey sit down ebi ne ho na yakodo ho mre bebre sometimes ko omuhuro workers do so mbe do ha mo ko pa duma pa je omuhuro mo nti mame no nani da ho pa na masa de wesi nti de ebe ye say ye de ibehu ye lawyer na ye lawyer advice ye de be kan say enyam say de meko court ne
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso share ye twaso dia na 2024 West African Senior School Certificate Examination no wonomo eguso a wonomo ye nanumu no West African Examination Council ye waye kese womwani ada hose krodom ya wormo ehwene ombetumi aye bia sebe ya exam sase kronobo no ne ade no ebi ensie ewafi nsohwe a ekoso wawase no
Examinations Council ewojidi ye paase afin pinu ani dunu nan wase adesuafo tworo no enya de se bibiboni bia ebesi wo mu sansemi Dr. Rosemond Wilson ya wo ye panyini a woda WAEC National Officer no enedi tudwa ebra wonom ekobo ntoa ewo Osupresek ene Laboni Senior High Schools ekohwe se de adesuafo no aboa wo ho a wode tworo wase nsohwe no ene wode sansemi tudwa
ye kwa aprabo no ye hu de bibia rekodo jojo so far no ya actual ya start theory papers no 19th August na yetum ya actual picture making jewelry English language 3 na says ya actual social studies na bibia record jojo o sande ye den dem egu akwam yebotum yeda ACC in the mabona okodo wo church exams there we and the man what in the matter about yebotum yeda small kwan
Jamtnani de Emma Education Committee wo MPP 2024 manifesto ya Dr. Prince ama ene wo say won wasi nkitepa senyame ya dompa na Ghana for the two minimum MPP amaniko no edia mo front of wa school me childhood education no wo mo ebemmemu na Dr. Amane Adom TV kase na edi enkoma wo kire sekeji wo besi dodo pa sa benwa no esa bedi wonsem ebiema
basic education na your interest pa ide mo forma afi na wo hyase no yebotum ya bombodi na ya bo no wonya bebi papa watna akọ school ebehwe a oyem pipi aba na yede KG yede baba kan the school system first na ka school system no or start from primary 1 and president Kofo na Dawroma oye education review committee na oma wodi KG oyeden odi baka since then no ya try there yes more KGs MPP aba na kra within the last 8 years yensi not less than 200 kgs yensi not less than 200 kgs but also ye hear more because primary schools over 15,000 not today here kgs so over 15,000 and ye hear they base more kgs and his excellency the vice president nyame ya Adom na Ghana for way na Adom na odi tuminisha nsa wa shabo wa pr na komem why very determined there obesi more kgs na yanum bafoma no between a solid foundation your kg kake ultra modern kg facilities wo ho botu aboama wesua de ma ye free there abofraba no aze obosua na kwanyo obenya fini bafoma asimu no ono no orinyina otum odi nyinma na adwunum no obei entem ansana we baba ye
afi STEM innovation the chotwo kra no zonal road show no koso na schools ahodo ya wono mo akire ne awontimide wonsa emeye fe no wono so aye krado na first kamensa ono na edi animo emu nsamone Adom TV kase edin komo
ti say ya ye zoning aye free BBT say zonal road show. It is zonal road show no is happening across the 16 regions of Ghana. It is zoning do Ashanti region and Western North ya zoni or more omuyina beshia wo Kumasi High School as a zonal center whereby students will exhibit or project judges no ebehwe no ma judge. It after zonal road show no omo be make it to the zonal road show no near the omuyina aba Accra for the grand finale for STEM Innovation 2024. But trust me, this year project no a project and krano develop a solve societal problems yenya issues are facing as a country no and now cry investing so much in them of free senior high school space no I say omonhwe ema omusika na abanye university omo ho no enko waste nti omo so beye bibi e de abo omo man anything na ye solve societal problem it was STEM innovation see ye advanced country near school Quran kinkete eye wo schools e dey support omo country na Ghana for Quran so eye bi e dey support nti ye be here opinion leaders stakeholders so mu nyina beba on board na ma support STEM innovation ama STEM innovation a solve tomorrow's problem today eye team no 26 to Friday 30th our various zonal center our central region ya major central region and then western region omubeshia wo Holy Child School and Ashanti region ebeshia wo Kumasi High School Bono region and Bono Ahafo and Bono East omubeshia wo St. James Seminary na zona rosho no ebekoso upper northern region omunyina beshia wo Almighty Dabupa Secondary.
That's why Adom TV Badwam kase no so na member waka NDC communication team no 2024 ho eyowura Alexander Chirembe na odi atoja NDC aban na meya Adom na tumi no ko ekodi won mo ensema won be ye hwehwemu e de afa dwuma bia ya ye bia no ehu sika ya eno ekomu no CNDC presidential candidate John Dramani Mahama de atogana fo nyina so anim se tumi bedi won samu a won ho bon oketase hye ne foye mu so no emra ene won mo ebedi mu nchemu owura Alex Treme ene Adom TV di no eni
ma ha adwene nyina sesei tenyame boa na eba aban mu a ye behwe sede a ye be ma omaye forensic audit na ye hunu se Ghana sika ye yusu no kwan ananka ni se fa so yusu se te saade a nipa kro no a ye saade de ne ya san giska ne ya san de aba beto oman no futuo mu ati se etumi ye sa ne ma we na oman sika eni se na nke kodu omho ya gigi ni nyina beto Ghana futuo mu a ati nke nche kura Ghana economy be san fa no ntuma pa afira anya ma set no ponko a but any other thing ya nye sure se ekoyi bia no Yura John Dramani Mahama se Ghana fo mfa gidie enhye ni mu se ye beye nhwehwemu finance people ne ka forensic audit here audit no wo mu akoro bebre but the forensic audit no the detailed audit ye forensic audit ya eboa ma ade bia asuma ewo dwumade bia mu no eba out nti you know, washe Ghana for boss obey sanema nyina not only the masses. My
ento so na adwumayefo a won ye adwuma oswame interchange project wo Kumase ene ya make say won mpanifo no ahia adi enkomo won mo akatua huntumu a wose won fama won no mpanifo ne won mo akasa na je say ansa na ba bedu ha no won mo atiatua e kire se ne yekoso no enya de se won bo ajoso munsam kase ediba
Ramco Construction Company ena ehwe esi swame interchange no na wotwi awieye na beto odwachem se emu adwumayefo atiatua afri biaya a womo eye adwuma nam se womo esikasem totoye bi enkoye eno ka ho bia bende Adom kase ebo akire ekobia ekohu se ampa adwuma no na atwentware na ase kakra ne nyina emu no adehye bia eteben ho kyem se nnefo kakra ne adwumayefo no efri site na mfuturo eku wompa
se ade nyamia nim no kure ni mfuturo ne ye ho kyere ye wa papa o pepa de unso ahwe machine apepa ho de asiwe ya mfuturo santi nipa ne ba na ho aye se kura onto
yesra man ne senko no mon kasa no mon to aso mayo modwuma no se de etie na izi abo so hwe ha wo de hwe shopu mfuturo kunyen yewu
Adom kase ebo akire ebepie mu ewo Rango Construction na aha no pani kwanchefo no na eye production manager Mr. Samuel Kote.
Internal issues, it has to do with some salary raise, some salary increment. We promised, there was promised at the moment. Ya cheche mu ama bibia atodin. Nano pay. Bibia da kwemwa ejuma ekoso
ba o ma hye Ghana fo nkankana santeman anohoba se swame interchange no ebra e wose omode wie no omode bibia beba awiye kamakam
obi anka na komanto ne yem ejumadi no yenjaye yegusu aye di jumadi ni pepepe na ye make sure so say eye timelines aye dia maye say timi di wie jumadi no ye be wie no pepepe and obia betimi aba eye swame ekwan so efinya mbo ochara babere bonse workers ni nyina okwan so ayeye jumedi yenim se jumedi ni da asanteman akomaso sanso na eda Rango Construction akomaso yipa eno nteni yebe jumedi ni se ne be ya obia ho be hiha no ne yenso ye ho ahiha ye
amansa chia me kwadwo bi mreku amanebo asantemantem Ramco Construction Company ena ehwe esi
NDC amanyoko Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama bobo eniema hudo bi so a wo se dream die ne ketase hye ebon wo munti senyame ye na dom na Ghana tumi no bedi ne nsem obehwe na safo ni nyina no ehwehwemu akoso.
We will institute inquiries or forensic audits into the following matters of public interest. 1. MPP's collapse of indigenous Ghanaian banks and financial institutions at a supposed cost of 25 billion Ghana cedis. We'll institute an audit into the illegal printing of money by the Bank of Ghana to finance the corrupt Akufo-Addo Biomia administration. We'll investigate the 58 million National Cathedral scandal. We'll investigate the COVID-19 expenditure scandal.
The Kasaye Moon was signed to just say
will reopen investigations into major unresolved criminal cases, including the 2020 election killings, Ayawaso West Wogomba election violence, murder of Ahmed Swale and Silas Wulo Chame. Will initiate a probe into the man-made disaster caused by the VRA spillage from the Akosombo and Pond dams that displaced and destroyed the livelihoods of thousands of citizens in the Volta region. And we will take immediate steps to provide compensation for the victims, including those in the lower Volta, those in Oti, those in Bono East, those in the Savannah regions, and other areas that were affected by the flooding.
Mayenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye de asia seda na ye wodia omre no wadaje a wode fam ye dwumadie no afei na ye ehyasie wo de bonkrata ne online stories a wadaro ma abeka ye nsa no nti wedie ye nche ye ntwe hu kitwai ne ba ye de no ato so ma mefa seda Emma Majoy Trish on madaro mo mahemata de fefefe kamba ko Instagram Majoy Trish on mo honta de bia for program bia no ubenyabi yakwaba ne atwaso